questions?
So what are you doing next, Sheldon? What are you doing next?
I think the Supreme Court is a good question about what we're doing next.
You're on judiciary. What are you doing?
We have to hold a filibuster on the Supreme Court nominees.
Yes!
They're going to kill the filibuster.
And we have to be prepared for the fact that they could pull the nuclear option and kill the filibuster on their Supreme Court appointee. And that is not an idle guess. They did not block President Obama for months and months and months and keep a very sensible mainstream judge off the Supreme Court in order to be bottled up by filibusters.
But we need to try.
So we are absolutely positively going to try. We're going to force them to do that if they want to. We're going to make them pay the price for doing that if they do. But I also think that the conversation about this can't be just about the qualifications of whomever that judge is. This is an opportunity for us to talk about what has been going on in that court for many, many years now, with the 5-4 decisions, with the 5 Republican-appointed judges over and over and over again. The worst of which, of course, because it has enabled so much other bad conduct, is Citizens United. So we need, I believe, to make this confirmation process an education process about what that court has been up to, and a referendum on particularly Citizens United, but also the voting rights cases and the gerrymandering cases and the gun case, and on and on you can go. So if it's just about whether this person is qualified, I don't think we have as strong an argument. If the argument is, what have they been doing in this court? How has it hurt our country? How much has the tide of dark money that's poured in wrecked and poisoned our democracy? Those are the conversations that I think we need to have.
Another judge. Obama should have had a judge.
I thought I did. All right, I'll say it again. I'll say it again. I believe that it was in our national security interest to get people who were not Trump people. He was a Rubio guy. And who were experienced in their field to be able to be in a position to say no if something really, really significant happened.
Rubio supports Trump.
What about this?
No.
Vote on prices.
Future appointment.
How are you going to vote on Tillerson?
With Paul's consent, draw it out. Paul's consent. No, you can't normalize these appointments.
All right, please.